I'm reuniting, guys, with my old car.
Let it warm up about 4 minutes. See if
It's dirty.
Yeah. Rev it after about 3 or 4 minutes. I want to see if it misses.
Alright.
Because we know it misses.
Oh my god, I missed my car.
Take it up over 4,000.
Oh my god, I missed.
It's good.
It's backfired
No,
right
it's
there.
good.
Oh my god, I love this fucking car so much.
It's good, yeah.
Alright.
Different. It's good.
Alright.
Let it warm up and build
Yeah.
up the battery on it. I bought a battery.
Alright. You smell? Oh my god, guys, I miss my car so much. It's the touring model. The touring model 350Z. This is an 03. This was like one of my first cars that I had to get rid of because I got my Mustang. Oh, but I'm getting her back. Like I pretty much put it away for a little bit. It's in storage right now. Oh. God, I love this fucking car. It's so dirty. People were fucking abusing it. My fucking baby. Abusing my fucking baby. Check out this shit. Underglowing lights. Just on the sides. Ash! I guess we got them fixed because I swore the last time I had this car they stopped working. Oh, it's not working on this side. Fuck. Yeah, this tire's flat. It's been sitting forever. My fucking baby. Oh my god. I missed you. HKS. No cats on the motherfucker. It's so loud. There's no cats on him. Tinted out everything. From the window, somebody fucked this tint up, so that gotta get redone. Gotta repaint the handles and stuff. Everything's tinted on this car. I blacked out the rims. I'm letting it warm up to see. Because it hasn't been. We just had to get the booster pack on it because it hasn't been started in a couple months. So yeah, guys, let me know what you guys think. This car was my baby. It is my baby. It's never leaving my fucking side again. Look at that fucker. Look at that fucker. Oh, Jesus Christ. Stick my dick in the fucking exhaust right now, please. Rev it up one more time. Alright, so. Oh my god, dude, you guys have no idea. I have no idea how much fucking fun I had in this fucking car. Jesus, mother fucking pearls right now. Mother of fucking pearls. This was my